Hello everyone, welcome back. I posted one video related to exam strategy for tomorrow's exam, and 4 chapter I asked you to do the quick revision so that guarantee you can get 30 plus marks. Now I'm going to discuss with you the another two questions I said, right? One is tracing, another one is a standard deviation. And tracing, now I'm going to concentrate on bubble sort tracing, and before that you have to remember the mantra. As I told you, what is a mantra for bubble sort? It is biggest goes to the end. You have to concentrate on largest element, and after every pass you have to make sure that the largest element to be at the end, and it should be n minus 1 passes, and swap you have to do each time. So these are the three mantra. Now let's see how we are going to solve the problem. Now when you look into the question tomorrow in the question paper, the first thing you have to do it, how many elements are there you should consider. Now let's see. We are having now 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements are there. So totally how many passes you have to do? N minus 1 passes, which means 5 passes definitely you have to show. Clear? And next one is, what is the next one? You have to check what is the biggest element. So this 90 is the largest element here. So after pass 1, you have to make sure that the 90 should be at the end of the list. Is it clear? Which means it has to be this position. Okay, now how can you do it? Everyone take your notebook with pen and do it along with me, then only you will understand. Now because the sign, what sign I have to put, everything you will be having a doubt, so better you can solve along with me. Now you have to write the same thing, whatever there in the question paper, you have to write it in the box so that you will not miss out any of the element. Now the pass when you have to start with what? The first element. What is first element? 70. You are going to compare it with what? The next element 50. Better you can write it in the column 70. What are you going to find in bubble sort? Greater. What is the symbol you will be mentioning? Many of them are having doubt with the symbol also. So remember, in the smaller age you have learned the crocodile mouth. So this is a larger symbol, which means this side, whatever the mouth is open, this is larger symbol. And what is the next element you are mentioning? 50. It is the smallest. The symbol is correct? Yes, because 70 is greater. The wider mouth is here only. It is correct. So 70 is greater than 50. The condition is what? True. If you not remember true or false, leave it. Do the swap. If it is true, what you have to do? You have to do the swap. As I told you, swap you have to do what? Immediately in the bubble sort. Swap means what? This will go here, this will come here. So you have to mention what? 50, then 70, then 30, 40, and 10 as it is. Now what you have to do now? 50 you have done the swapping. What is the largest element? 70. Again you have to compare it with the second to third. Now don't get confused whether I have to start with 750 or 70. You have to start with 70. Which is the largest you find out? 70. So 70 is greater than what? 30. Where the symbol is showing the largest. 70 only is true, right? True means what you have to do? Swap. Now 50, then 30, you have done the swapping, then 70, 40, 90 and 10. Now what is the next one? You have to compare it with what? Now 70 to 40. So 70, then greater symbol, then what? 40. The condition is what now? True. Then what you have to do? Swap. True or false? If you want to write, you can write. Otherwise, it's not a problem. You can just mention the symbol. Some of you, not necessary. If you are confident enough, no need to mention this also. Now again, you have done the swapping now. 50, 30, then 40. You have done the swapping now. 70 and 90 and 10. Now what the comparison you will be doing now? Now 70 to 80. So 70 is greater than 90. Now look at the symbol. Is it true? The smallest symbol is going 70, 90, right? But it is not true. So what you have to do? You have to do what? No swap. Understood now? So this is a concept. This bigger symbol, it is showing 70, but it is not true. So now no swap. So what you have to do now? Which is the, now you will be having a confusion. Now what I have to do? Which one I have to take for the comparison? Now which is the largest element? 90. 90 you have to take it because we are concentrating on largest element in the bubble sort. Now 70 you should leave it. See, here you have selected with 70. Now it is changed now. No swapping has happened. So which is the largest element? 90 you have to compare it with 10. So 90 is greater than 10. Yes, the condition is true because the wider mouth is here. So now you have to do what? Swap. Now the final result of pass 1 50, 30, 40, then 70, then 10 and 90. Is there anything to compare it? Nothing. Which means the pass 1 is over. What is the target? What is the mantra? You have to remember the mantra is biggest goes to the end. The biggest goes to the end after pass 1? Yes. Right? So the mantra is satisfied. Now the next one is what? And after that, pass 2 will go. You can mention here it is not sorted. No, it is not sorted. And the pass 1, again you have to write the same thing here. Don't copy the question now because you have done the tracing. Now the same you have to write it here. Let's see now pass 2. We are going to start again comparing with first to second only. In all the bubble sort technique, all the passes we have to start comparing from the first element. Now again the same 50 you have to use the greater than symbol and 30. Remember the symbol. So 50 is greater than 30. Yes, the wider mouth is there and 50 it is true. Then what you have to do? You have to do swap. You are doing swapping immediately. Now before going to the next step, I want to check it with you. In past 2, 90 already it is in place. What is the second largest element? You have to check it out. What is the second largest element? 70. 70 has to come here after the past 2. That you have to remember when you are doing it. Now we are doing to swap it now. 30. Next one you will be doing. Now 50 to 40 you have to do the comparison. 50 is greater than 40. Now again it is same. It is swap. You can do the swapping because wider mouth is there and 50. You must be thinking why I am telling all this because many are still getting confused which symbol they have to use it. Now the next one 30. Now again which is the largest element? 50 you are going to compare it with what? 70. 50 is greater than 70. Now see, this is wrong because 70 is the largest but 50 it is showing the wider mouth. So no swap. No need to do the swapping. Now what I told you, now comparison where it will start? It will start, what is the biggest element? 70. 70 you have to compare it with next element. Let's see. 70 you are comparing it with 10. So 70 is greater than 10. Yes, the condition is true. Then what you have to do? Swap. Swap, you will be doing it. See, this is already sorted, right? No need to do the comparison again. So you can stop here. Because in 70, the second position, the second largest element, it's come to the position. But still it is not sorted. So what you have to do? You have to go for pass 3. What you have to do, write the same element whatever you have written in the last pass. What is the comparison? From where you have to start? You have to start with the first element to second element again. Now 30, then greater than 40. Now look at the symbol. This is not greater. 40 is only greater, right? Then no swap. Now tell me from where you will be doing the comparison. Now you have to do the comparison with 40 to 50 because this is the largest. So 40 to 50 you have to do. Now what? 40 is greater than 50. Yes, this is also what? No. So no swap. Next one, 50 to 10 you have to do because 50 is a greater here. So you have to start comparing 50 to 10. Yes, it is greater. So you have to do what? Swap. Now after that, when you're doing the swapping 30, 40, 10, 50, 70, 90, already 70 is sorted in the previous pass too. So now the third largest element is coming to the position, right? 50 is sorted. So till here you can stop and mention not sorted. Is it clear? Now next going to the pass 4. Pass 4, what you have to do now? So 30, 40, the same element you will be writing here. 30, 40, 10, 50, 70, 90. Again, you have to start comparing it from the first element to the second element. So 30 is greater than 40. Before that, what you have to identify? What is the next one? So till 50, we have done the sorting, right? Now, what is the next largest element is 40. So 40 has to come to this position, right? Now, the next one, what you have to do? The next one, 30, 40, 10, 50, 70, 90. You have to do the comparison 40 to 10. Why? Because 40 is a greater here. So 40 to 10 you have to do. 40 is greater than 10. Yes, it is true. Then you have to do what? Swapping. So the 10 will go here. 40 will come here. Now you have done the swapping here. 30, 10, 40, 50, 70, 90. So already 50 is sorted in the previous pass. So you can stop it here. And you can mention what? Not sorted. Now go to what? Pass 5. So pass 5 again take the same element here. 30, 40, sorry 30, 10, 40, 50, 70, 90. Again start with the comparison. 30 is greater than 10. Yes, it is true. Then you have to do what? Swap. So 10, 30, 40, 50, 70, 90. Now again the 30 is already sorted right in the previous. Then you have to sort it here. Is it clear now? Now pass 5. So as I told you, the 3 mandra of bubble sort, biggest goes to the end after every pass, right? When you see here, the first pass, what biggest element we forwarded? The first pass, the 90 has come to the position. The second pass, 70 has come to the position. And the third pass, we can see the 50. The 50 has come to the position. And the fourth pass, 40 has come to the position. And the last one, 30 has come to the position. So pass 5 is over. So n minus 1 passes. We are having 6 elements. So n minus 1 passes. And you are doing what? Swapping each time. Whenever you are doing the comparison, if the condition is true, then you can do what? Swapping in the bubble sort. And another one, what you have to remember, you have to use the greater than symbol here. Is it clear? This symbol, you have to use it for bubble sort. I hope everybody is clear with the bubble sort. Now practice all the model question paper and the pre-board question. What are the bubble sort questions? Solve it. If you have a question, please post your question in the comment section. I will try to reply it soon. And next video, I'm going to explain to you the selection sort. Thank you.